Namaskaram. Traditionally, sun salutations are considered as warm-ups in yoga. But before sun salutations, we need to release the stress at the joints and the muscles, preparing for the sun salutations. So we go for some active warm-ups, like very quickly, whole body is ready for the sun salutations and the yoga postures. Getting ready? Starting from both the feet hip width distance apart, palms on your waist. We go for neck rotations, going on the right side. After a few rounds on the right side, we go on the left side. Coming to a neutral position, we go for shoulder rotations, moving all the way shoulders back, up and forward. Shoulders rotations backwards. Shoulder rotations, variations, both the hands rotating forward. Hands rotating backwards. Coming to the neutral position, we make a fist and we swing our hands alternatively. Extending our hands, we point the fingers all the way up and we pull the fingers towards the body. Fingers pointing inside, fingers pointing down, fingers pointing outside, and we repeat the same on the other hand. Making the fist and rotating our wrists on the right side and left side, and clubbing our hand in moving all possible directions. Right. Feet hip width distance apart, we go for hip rotations, a big circle starting from the right side first. And going on the left side. Bringing the legs together, we go for knee rotations, starting on the right and left. Coming to the neutral position, hands on the waist, both the feet hip width distance apart. Inhale, rise your right leg, release your right foot all the way from the knee, and coming to a stable position, we go for rotating of the right ankle on the right side first. On the left side, slowly release. We go on the other side, shifting our weight to the right leg, bending the left knee and moving it, shaking from the knee all the way to the toes. Coming to a stable point, right ankle rotating, left ankle rotating on the right side, and on the other side, placing it back. Right, palms on the waist. Now elbows coming close to each other, thumbs to the back and rest of the fingers on the waist. Now inhale, we rise all the way up to the back. Exhale, we come forward halfway, elbows coming close to each other. Inhale, coming all the way up. Exhale, coming all the way down. Inhale, up. Exhale, coming back. We repeat this a couple of times here. We go for Indian squats, making our fist here. We swing whole body while squatting down. Right, now inhale coming up and exhale going down. Inhale here, exhale. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Right, we repeat as much as we want to get warm up. We can go for 20 rounds or 30 rounds or 50 rounds. Right, coming here, keeping nice stretch at the knees and also hamstrings. Bending the knee, taking hold of the right foot, we press it into the buttock. Slowly releasing down. We go on the other side. Bending the left knee, taking it all the way into the buttock. Exhale, release. Now stretching our toes to the front and to the back, and again to the front, to the back, and coming and finding our way on top of the mat, preparing for sun salutation, standing in Tadasana.